We are live. Marcus Booty Coding Live. Are you excited? Remember, new Footwork every day. And today, Il Complicado 1. Do you remember? You see, we do. No excuses. Let's go. See for yourself first. Il Complicado 1. Let's go. This is the move. Yeah, pretty simple, but pretty nice. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. I'll switch the cameras. Let's go. Are you ready? Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We do the heel. Now, heel with the right. Step in the left. Step with the right. Again. Heel, step, step. Now with the right, heel, step, step. Once again, left, left, right, left, left. Once again, left, right, left. Once again, heel, step, step. Heel, step, step. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. Heel Complicado 1. But wait, you're still here? Amazing! Let's do another practice right now. Face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah. But not doing your makeup, of course. Practicing. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. Il Complicado 1. Let's go. Starting with the left. Heel, step, step. Heel, step, step. Starting with the left, right. Now with the right, left. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can add the hands along with the legs. Try it with me. It can be like that or like that. Doesn't matter. Palms up, palms down. Doesn't matter. Pick your choice. Let's go. 1. Let's do palms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A bit faster. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. Yeah, Il Complicado 1. Wait, you're the serious student. Amazing. If you are, you can check the link to the full tutorial. Yeah, the full tutorial on YouTube. Check the link above, to the sides, below, or if you're on Instagram, check the link in the bio, my bio, and go to the YouTube channel and search for this specific move. What's the name of the move? Do you remember? Il Complicado 1. That's the name of the move. Yeah. Search that on YouTube and practice with me in the studio for free anytime you want. Yes. And of course, I remind you, these are universal moves. Marcus Body Coding. Yeah, we code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, Zumba, rumba, whatever style. By the way, salsa, you can do it on 1 and on 2. Why? Because you can do it with the right or with the left. Yes, doesn't matter as well if it's the men's step or the women's step. For the same reason, you can start with your right foot or your left foot. Yeah, universal. So, make sure to do this move today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's new footwork. New footwork every day. Come on, new footwork every day. Marcus body coding. So, let's meet tomorrow for a new footwork, of course. See you tomorrow.